beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yes, you're at the doghouse, Renfrew, Ontario, Canada. It's a hot rockin' day, as Rocker Pat would say. Fantastic day. Beautiful. Sitting in my backyard. Maybe we'll go over to see Keith. See what he's up to. Keith's my next door neighbor. Yeah, he lives over there. Let's go see Keith. Hey guys. Not in the doghouse today, but we're going to go do a little search in there over in Keith's house. Keith's working on a truck. Let's go see what he's up to. Oh, look what happened. George is over here today. George!
Oh, here he comes too.
There, you guys remember George?
Hi, how you doing?
George was working in my Fargo earlier, like much earlier. But anyway, we're going to go see Keith today.
Here he comes now.
Oh. Here's Keith.
Howdy-ho.
How's you going, bud?
Good, you?
Good, good, good.
Coming over to look at the truck?
Yeah, we're going to go check out your truck, see what's happening.
All right.
Stick around, guys.
I'll go get it.
Yeah, Keith just put a new sound system in this truck. He's a big sound guy. Is that a turbo here? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, check this out.
$1972 Chevy truck.
1972 Chevy. Look at the deep dish there.
20-inch wheels.
20-inch. Oh my God. Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. Nice color. Gray metallic. Gunmetal, I guess to call it.
Gunmetal, yeah, for sure.
Gunmetal. And so I don't open these very often. Almost hit me in the chin. Chevy motor, fuel injected, supercharger on it.
That is sweet.
Yeah. 450 horse.
450 horsepower. I wonder if it'll burn rubber.
I'm sure it will.
Yeah.
But it's not my truck, so I'm not doing the burnout.
Yeah, no burnouts. With the price of the tires, can't afford it.
Hi-ho, boys. Hi-ho, neighbor.
Yeah.
I just put a big sound system in it. Put 2 5¼ inch in each side in the kick panels. And a 10-inch subwoofer underneath the seat. And a head unit in the dash. Kenwood head unit.
Is this sweet or what, eh?
Yeah, all the dash has been done, everything's been done.
Look at the seats.
The dog likes it too. And that.
That is nice, eh?
Yep. No.
That is sweet. Cool.
All good. That's my little project.
Yeah, right
Not
on.
the truck, just the sound system. I only do the sound work. I didn't do any mechanical.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing in mechanical.
It's all right, neither do I.
There you go.
Yeah. There you go, rocker pad.
So there's enough ball.
Yeah, so how do you like that, guys? Sweet ride. There, look at the dash. All leather interior.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful seats. Look at the detail in here. It's hard to see on video, but it's fantastic. Great truck. Yeah, it's a 6-speed. It won't focus, but it's a 6-speed. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging around.
Thanks for coming in.
Sorry for the dog, but bye now.
Bye now.
Bye now. See you later.